Okay, today we're going to go over electric level 1, page 28, lifting techniques. These techniques are very important. None of these things are going to hurt you in the short term. But if you can take a look at the posture of me, you can see that after 30 years in the trade, lifting, continual lifting, jumping down has had a big effect. Okay. So what I would like to do is first go over the lifting techniques in page 28. One of the first things you want to do is you want to straddle. Okay, you want to straddle this. And you want to test it. This is an empty crate. One thing you don't want to do is think that it's full and it's heavy, because otherwise you'll come up like that. Kind of fun to do if you're just talking to somebody and you want to do that. But this crate over here weighs about 30 pounds. I have about 8 different textbooks in it, a couple of files. Straddle this, test it. Yep, it's a little bit heavy. Reach down, pick up. The best place to store a crate that's heavy like this would be around waist high. This is the ideal placement. The worst place is on the bottom. The next worst place would be high above you. All your heavy things should be stored right around waist level. One of the other things that you need to kind of think about is if you have something in the trunk of your car. The last thing you want to do, and I can use this chair as an example, is you want to reach into the car, you lock your knees on the bumper, and you lift with your back. You stretch out, you pull whatever it is, your item towards you, and you lift up with your back. That's the very worst thing, so you don't want to put bags of cement in your trunk, just because of that reason. When you lock your knees, you lift totally with your back. So that's what we're learning on page 28 in electric level 1, how to safely lift. When we're lifting, this would be a typical example of some shelving units, maybe in a gang box or a trailer. Many people put the heaviest items right down there at the very bottom. Ideally, the heavy items should go right here so that we can lift them and bring them to our waist and we can carry them around wherever we need to do. The heavy items go towards the bottom, maybe the bulky items do. But that's the worst. Right there, because many times when you want to stretch out, this is even worse. This is bad because when you pull it down, everything can come down on top of you. Ideally, if you have your choice, this is where you put your heaviest items. Thank you.